This is a technical detailed video of a PIR in a 2019 Ford Flex. This is for 2013 to 2019. Um, so what this does is this will get your wheelchair in the back of your vehicle for you, assuming that your wheelchair fits in the space. It utilizes the multi-lift, which you can use in different other areas. You could use the same multi-lift maybe to get someone in the passenger front vehicle or passenger front seat of the vehicle, or passenger rear, driver rear. You could also use this in your home for a bunch of different applications. So this one is set up in a way so that the extension here goes on the mount. It's got some blocks here so that you can't hit the vehicle over here. So then I'll show you a little bit about the mount. So the mount itself ties into a seatbelt bolt up there. It's bolted down in a few spots here and still allows you to use everything the way you would normally use it. Here's your seatbelt for your wheelchair and your multi-lift tie downs. So just to give you an idea here, you can still utilize the seats, stow and go features, just like you would normally, just like that. Pop them up. You may not be able to get, if you're using the chairs, there we go. If you're using these rear seats, your chair may not fit in there, and you may have to put them down. It's really dependent on the chair there. But that's it for this. There's not too much overall for it. Now one key part too for this, there's pins here, and anytime you're using this system, you always want to use these pins in the holes there, so it'll keep this from ever coming out. So, but that's it for this. Definitely check out some of our other videos. We do this for a lot of different vehicles.